Hey, my name is Hatter with NYC Marketers. This short video, is for M&S Technicians HVAC service. I made this short video explaining 3 things you could do today to help bring in more customers to your business. And I'll try to keep it short and sweet. The 3 things I'm going to talk about today are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So if by the end of the video you like what you see in here, shoot me a message and we can chat. Let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on your home page right now. And when I say content, I mean anything that's on here, from the pictures, words, videos, all that stuff. Now, to be looked up by Google and to be placed in their search results, and also to beat out the local competition, you want to have at least 1,500 or more words on your home page. So this page right here, you want to have at least 1,500 or more words. Another free tip I'll give you while I'm doing this is the way you save your pictures. Basically, what's behind the pictures really matters. So let me show you right now. I try to save this. You want to put some keywords in there for your business and your industry that even the pictures on the home page will do good for it. Now, moving on to the second thing I want to talk about will be citations. Now, I just did a quick little Google search for HVAC companies just to show you what customers will see when they search something like this. First thing you see right here, these boxes, this is the Google Guaranteed section. In this section, it's a paid section where you got to get verified through Google, and once you go through the process and you're approved, you're allowed to advertise right here. It's a paid service through Google, and it provides really good quality leads, and it's a great spot because the first thing customers see. After that, we go down right here. This is the traditional Google ads. This is hit or miss right now. Depends on who does it for you, and it could end up being a money pit. It could end up giving you some leads also. All depends on who does the service for you. After that, we go down to this section right here, which in my opinion is the kind of section you guys want to be in, at least in these top 3 spots. We specialize in putting companies in these top 3 spots. And also right here, it's a good place for me to tell you what a citation is. A citation is basically any place on the web which allows you to input your business information. That'll be your business name, address, and phone number. That counts as a citation. And most citations end up on national directories, which will be like Yelp, Angie's List, Home Advisor, LinkedIn, those kind of pages. After that, we move down to this section right here, which is referred to as the organic section. Over here, you'll find the websites which have outranked and beaten out their competitors' website to get on the first page of Google. First page of Google search results. This is definitely where you want to strive to be, on this first page, and we specialize in bumping people up to this first page as well. The last thing I'm going to talk about today will be backlinks. A backlink is basically any website out there which provides a link to your website, potentially giving you that traffic and keywords. I use this tool right here called Ahrefs. I pay for it every month, but it gives me really good information, and I use that information to assess the performance of any website out there. Now, I pulled up your website right here, mstechnicians.com, and from what I can see, you guys have 14 referring domains, giving you 40 backlinks, giving you 11 organic keywords, but it's not 100% accurate, but they get their data straight from Google, so it's pretty close, and they're showing that you guys are not getting any traffic right now. So to compare this to a top local competitor, I've pulled up their numbers right here. That's what it looks like. So I'll just read the numbers. They got 716 referring domains, 3,100 backlinks, almost 27,000 keywords, and this one right here, they're pulling at least 26,000 organic traffic. At least 26,000 people are visiting their website per month. This is the kind of numbers you want to be headed towards. This is yours once again. So boosting all these numbers and putting up in the thousands is exactly what we specialize in. And let me go back to your website right here. And all the things I talked about today, that's what we do at NYC Marketers. So you guys made the website. The main purpose of the website is drive more traffic to your business, give you leads, give you customers ultimately. Like I said, I'll keep this video short and sweet. That's all I had for you today. I hope you found this video to be educational. If you'd like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, give me a call. I'd love to chat. If not, no worries. Keep these free tips I've given you today. I would just ask if you could please give me some feedback on what you thought about this video and how I did. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day.